It doesn't happen that often, but every now and then when I'm walking home from town, I find goodies like this. They're usually not in this kind of shape, but here is a second/third gen Intel system with a motherboard that doesn't look damaged, a cooler that needs a good clean, and 8 gigs of DDR3. Let's find out what that CPU is. And it is... Oh, would you look at that? Got myself a Pentium. A Pentium. Those things aren't even worth their weight in dirt. Okay, so the only good thing I got out of this was a working motherboard in theory. And 8 gigs of DDR3, which, you know, that's not terrible. DDR3 prices are going back up. I'm a bit miffed that's a Pentium, though. Even Windows 7 would be slow on this thing. Damn. Still, it was free. Can't really complain, other than the fact I had to carry this a mile. Yeah, okay, maybe I'll complain. A bloody Pentium with 8 gigs of RAM. Like, obviously that 8 gigs has been there since this thing was built. You would expect this to be an i3, maybe a second gen i5. Not a Pentium. Which Pentium is this, anyway? A G645. A G645. I know nothing about that CPU. Let's find out. It's a dual-core 65-watt CPU that runs at 2.9 GHz. Oh, would you look at that? It supports SSE 4.2, which means technically this actually can run modern programs. Modern programs. Wow. Well, suppose that this motherboard does work. It's going to need a BIOS update, but okay. Free motherboard and CPU that I don't care about. I'll just add it to the pile. Seriously, I have a lot of CPUs, and this is unfortunately one of the newer ones. But still, I have a lot of CPUs. I need to clear out my old shit. I used to repair computers to make some extra money, and I have a lot of old parts that I just don't need anymore. No one is running a computer from 2006 anymore. I need to clear out. Damn it.